Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I want to share about my life or about my maybe. The first picture, this is about myself. My name is Arif Masaid. You can call me Arif, A-R-I-D. Don't forget with B, not with P or F, okay? Okay. I was born on November 26, 2006. My hobby is playing football. Actually, I have many hobbies, but this one, my favorite hobby, is playing football. You know why? Because football is not just a game, but about passion, tradition, loyalty, and something bigger than themselves. And in this picture, I'm standing on the street at night in front of the wall that say Bumi Pasundan lahir ketika Tuhan sedang tersenyum, which means the land of Pasundan was born when God was smiling. That what inspire me a lot because it remind me to be grateful and proud of our culture. And I believe that every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. And I hope someday I want to be someone who is useful for others and brings positive change to the world. And the second picture, this is my family. There are 4 people in my family. Of course, the first, this is my father, and this is my mother, and this is my brother. His name Sal Bikri, and this is of course me, the handsome man. Yeah. Because I'm man. Yeah.
Man support man.
Yeah. And my father's job is teacher. My mother's job is housewife. And my brother just graduated from the State Islamic University of Bandung. Yeah. And my father always hard work for my life better, and of course my parents always remind me and advise me to be a kind person, to be a kind people. And this picture remind me how important my family in my life. And the third picture, this is about my unforgettable moment. This picture I took when was during my graduation ceremony, and it makes and one of my unforgettable moment in my school when my class won the first place in the inter-class futsal competition. We practice after school together. Even we were tired, we never gave up. That experience taught me about teamwork, friendship, togetherness. And when our names were announced as the winner, everyone screamed with happiness. And this is my unforgettable moment, and this is become my unforgettable moment in my life. And the last picture, this is about my dream. You know this, guys?
Yeah.
My dream is to study at a famous university in Indonesia. Of course, this is Institut Teknologi of Bandung and Diponegoro University. And Institut Teknologi Bandung known its excellent in science, technology, and engineering, and also University of Diponegoro is the one of the best university in Indonesia, right? Yeah. It is well known its strong academic program and also beautiful university environment. And actually, my dream university is in Indonesia of University. But sometimes I think my dreams are too high. But remember, guys, don't be afraid to dream as high as possible. You know why? Because when you fall, you will fall among the stars. I think that's enough. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.